Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best spark plug remover tool on the market, the Salior 16mm and 14mm spark plug socket set. If you're a DIY mechanic, weekend warrior, or professional technician, this is the tool you didn't know you needed but won't want to live without. Let's begin with the build quality. The Salior spark plug sockets are forged from heat-treated CRV steel. That means durability is at its core. It's a high-hardness alloy that resists deformation and rust, giving you long-term performance whether you're working in your garage or on the road. The polished finish not only looks great but also adds corrosion resistance, ensuring these tools maintain their shine and integrity through years of use. Now, what really sets this tool apart is its thoughtful engineering. The 12-point ultra-thin wall design is a major advantage over conventional 6-point sockets. It fits into tight engine bays with ease, especially critical in newer vehicles with limited access. And since it comes in both 14mm and 16mm sizes, it's versatile enough for a wide range of vehicles, including BMWs, Nissans, Minis, and more. But here's the game changer: the 360-degree rotation capability. These sockets include a universal joint mechanism that gives you full maneuverability. That means if a spark plug is tucked into a tricky corner at an odd angle, this tool can still get to it without requiring you to disassemble half the engine. It's a lifesaver for tight spaces and an absolute must for modern engine designs. Another key feature is the built-in magnetic ring. Unlike rubber inserts that can wear out or fail to grip, the Salior socket uses a deeply recessed magnetic cord to firmly hold the spark plug in place during removal and installation. This reduces the chance of dropping a plug into the engine bay, a common and frustrating mishap. Inside the box, you get two sockets, 14mm and 16mm, covering most standard and modern spark plug sizes. These are 3/8 drive tools, making them compatible with most ratchets and torque wrenches already in your toolkit. They're also a great addition if you're working on engines like the BMW 1, 3, or 5 series with the N43B engine, or various Nissan models where clearance is minimal. But it's not just about what's in the box, it's about trust. Salior claims to serve over 40 million customers globally and backs their tools with rigorous testing and inspection. So when you use this spark plug socket, you're using a product that's been built and tested with care. In summary, the Salior 16mm and 14mm spark plug socket set is compact, durable, flexible, and magnetic. A perfect combination of features that makes spark plug removal less of a chore and more of a breeze. Whether you're maintaining your own car or working on a client's vehicle, this tool can make a significant difference in both effort and outcome. If you're interested in checking it out, the product is available on Amazon and ships internationally. And remember, with tools like this, you're not just buying convenience, you're investing in precision and reliability. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next review of essential gear. See you next time.